The life of a product isn't easy. When all of the components are a perfect fit down to the last detail, it will be strong and durable. At the tesa Application Solution Center, we enable clients to manufacture the best and longest-lasting products possible. The bigger the challenge, the harder we seek the perfect solution. As tape engineers in a company with more than 100 years of experience, we know everything about affixing materials under different use cases and conditions. This is where, along with our customers, we test and develop solutions meeting the needs of their products and the requirements of their manufacturing processes. Acrylic, natural, or synthetic rubber, together we analyze which types of adhesive are relevant for the perfect tape solution to meet our customers' requirements. In strong collaboration with our field crew, we also develop special tool solutions for individual customer needs. We do our job with great passion and share our knowledge with our customers around the world in many different languages.
Лента на спине основе для монтажа легких
Muy
предметов.
importante que la superficie está limpia,
Des mousses
seca,
adhésifs
y lista de
double
producto.
face et du latex.
Polecam ACX Plusa.
Our application solution centers are located in Europe, China, and the US. In technical training courses, we advise customers on applying solutions to their products and help them with dedicated application guidelines for a perfect result. We also visit our clients on site to get a better understanding of their individual requirements. In our regularly held tech days at our customers, we present the newest tape technologies and consistently try to enhance collaboration with the client. With a digital tape engineer, we even offer a completely digital consultant solution where clients can experience real-time material tests through the eyes of our tape engineers using mixed reality goggles. These innovative approaches bring us as close as possible to our clients to help them make the most reliable and innovative products possible. Let us help you shape the future with innovative tape solutions from tesa.